White medium star rope woven over door hanging organizer baskets. These beautiful over-the-door organizer bathroom baskets feature 3 separate tiers that are perfect for wall basket storage or organizing personal items, home decor, magazines, toiletries rack, shoes, and much more. White medium star decorative, detachable design, offering more versatility for personal organization. These hanging wall storage systems can be used as a 3-tier hamper wall hanging basket or separate into 3 individual baskets for magazine storage, pantry door organization and storage, or decorating shelves, offices, or spaces. These wall baskets for storage also counts with a hook and closing strap to make it even more useful. White medium star premium cotton rope weaving, AAA-Long Technology Company, Ltd. Over-the-door bathroom organizer wall mount baskets make wonderful shoe storage organizers, nursery room toy baskets, bathroom door organizing, or just wall hanging baskets options because they're made with soft, yet durable natural cotton rope, softer than wicker baskets. White medium star rustic, farmhouse, or boho styles. The gorgeous design of our large back of door hanging baskets for organizing means they can fit a wide range of spaces and magazine basket home styles, which makes them a smart choice for over-door storage in living rooms, bedrooms, or a small kitchen pantry. White medium star deeper and more supportive storage. We developed our rope woven wall hanging storage basket to stand up to daily use and long-term organizational needs, which is why they're deeper, easier to hang, and can be separated to better fit your distinctive spaces.